How to buy Binance Coin BNB cryptocurrency. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Binance Coin. So Binance Coin is probably the largest coin on Binance because the entire Binance structure is based on Binance Coin. So if you take a look at Binance Coin, or simply it's called BNB, which is the native coin of Binance, and the entire Binance ecosystem is built off of Binance Coin. So let's say that you enter a amount of USD. So 90 BNB are around 26,227 USD, and you can take a look at the price of BNB over here as well. It is quite fluctuating, but relatively in comparison to other cryptocurrencies, you can see that it has a stable graph over the past day. So this is just a daily graph. It opened up at 277 and currently is going at 291. And if we take a look at the weekly graph over here, it's relatively stable with a lower price at the start of the week. And BNB is probably one of the largest coins to go ahead and trade with because BNB is the local coin and it is used to pay fees on Binance, on the cryptocurrency exchange, and it is one of the most popular utility tokens after BUSD as well. So after you have BUSD, you have BNB because it is the native coin of their application. So Binance is the number one marketplace, and the number one marketplace has their number one token, which is BNB. Now, you might be wondering, how do I trade, exchange, and buy Binance coin? If you go ahead and click on buy crypto over here, and you're like, I want to buy it with my credit or debit card, you can enter the amount of USD, and then you can go ahead and buy BNB from over here. So let's say I want to buy $100 worth of BNB. So I would be receiving 0.340754 BNB, and that is something that you can take a look at as well. So you can enter however much USD you want for you to buy BNB. Now, there is a reason that I don't recommend this. Now, it is the simplest way. You can go ahead and after you do this, you can click on continue, enter your Visa card or your MasterCard, and purchase via your credit card. Now, this is simple, it's easy, but the reason that I don't recommend it is because you're going to be paying quite a premium when you go ahead and purchase BNB and you purchase it directly off of your credit or debit card. Now you can see over here, so let's say I want to buy one BNB, which is around $293. Now, if I buy it currently at $293, I'm definitely losing around $30 to $40 that I could have easily saved. Now, how can I actually save money? I'm looking to buy BNB and I'm buying it directly on Binance from my credit or debit card. How am I losing money? Well, you're going to go ahead, and if you go ahead with bank transfers, it's basically the same thing, but you're getting one BNB for around 293 USD. Now, if you go ahead and go into the trade section of Binance, so if we go ahead and trade and click on spot trading, now you might be wondering, hey, I just want to buy BNB, I don't want to trade it, I just want to buy it. Now, don't worry, spot trading is very simple and you don't have to understand multiple different things. I'm going to take you through step by step on what you need to do to purchase BNB of the spot trading chart. Now, on your top right, first off, you're going to search for BNB. And then you're just going to search for BNB with any native currency like BNB/TUSD or BUSD, whatever you might want. So you can go ahead and search it for BUSD or USDT. And you might be wondering, I don't have USDT or BUSD. Well, for that, you can go ahead and go into your Binance wallet over here, click on Overview, and click on deposit, and then just deposit some currency and convert it into, you're going to click on deposit and click on fiat deposit. And then you're just going to enter the fiat, the currency that you want, and then you're going to click on continue. And then you can enter the amount of BUSD you want to receive. And then you can go ahead and trade that BUSD for BNB. Now, I'm just going to open up the chart for BNB/BUSD. Now over here, you might be wondering, okay, now I have BUSD, I converted my USD to BUSD in my wallet, I have deposited it in my spot/fiat account. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to this chart over here. You're going to search for BNB/BUSD. Now, once you scroll down, you can see on your right, you have some data in red and some data in green. Now, on the left side of your screen, I'm sorry about that. On the left side of your screen, you have some data in red and green. Now, the green data is referring to the price that people are looking to buy BNB at, and the red data is what the people are buying, what it is selling at. So this is the actual purchased orders, and this is open orders that people want to buy BNB at. Now, what you're just going to do do to get the lowest price possible for BNB on Binance, you're going to click on spot over here. And don't go with isolated or cross 10x. That is totally different for what you're wanting to do. And just to go ahead and remember our trade with a credit card, if we go ahead and buy 1 BNB, we're getting the price of $2.94. Now what you're going to do in the spot market is that you can see in the spot market the price is $2.92, and then if you scroll down, I'm going to enter a price that you want to buy BNB at. So let's say when the price of BNB reaches 291, yeah, 291 or 290, and then you can enter the amount of BNB you want. Let's say I want to buy 1 BNB, you can click on buy BNB over here. And then this is because this is an empty account, it's not going to go through. But after that, you're going to have a open order appear on the bottom right of your screen. And on the right side of your screen, you can see people are giving out offers for $2.90 as well. So you're just going to enter that, and after a couple of minutes or after a little bit of time, your trade will go through and you will receive your BNB for the potential price that you asked, and you're going to be saving around $4 off of this simple trade. And if I entered 292, I'm pretty sure that my transaction would go right on through, because you can see over here the last time someone bought BNB, they bought it for 292.3. So that is their current buying price. I would still be saving money of my trade even if I bought it right away on the spot trading graph instead of going through with the credit or debit card way. Now, the credit or debit card is definitely a nice thing to do for people that are just starting out and you just don't really know how to get started and you just want to buy a token and you want to save it long term. Then a couple of dollars might not be a lot, but if you're looking to buy large amounts of cryptocurrency, you're looking to buy like a couple of thousands of dollars worth of cryptocurrency, then it's definitely going to be more feasible for you to go ahead in the spot market, and you can put a limit order. It's not confusing, it's very simple. And you can also click on auto invest over here and create a investment plan for BNB as well with BUSD with the fiat that you have in your wallet. So that is how simple and easy it is to buy the Binance native coin BNB from the Binance exchange. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and you're now able to purchase BNB both with a credit card or with a spot exchange. Now, make sure that whenever you're doing this, you're going with spot trading. Don't ever click on margin trading or any other trading when you're looking to do this, because spot trading is very simple and easy, and margin trading is a lot different than this. So is futures trading. So make sure you're on the spot trading platform or graph to get started. Now, that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.